Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a lot of people have mentioned that they are in a situation where they wanted to make sure that they could update the secure boot certificates, ended up finding out that their secure boot certificates are unavailable, or they just can't find support on their original equipment manufacturer, the manufacturer of their PCs. And so it actually creates a point where most are wondering, what do I do now if there's nothing, there's no update? Once again, when you look at your Windows security app, this is where you can see if you have the latest certificates or not. So you can go into the device security, check if you've got a little check mark and that it says secure boot is on and all required certificate updates have been applied. No further certificate changes are needed. If it's not that, if it says they're expired or there's a problem, there's a Windows Central article, a Windows Latest article. OEMs reveal Windows 11 secure boot fix after deadline. This article contains the link to pretty much most device manufacturers and a link to the secure boot details, including if you just kind of find that it seems like there's nothing to do, there's no support for you. So I'm going to actually share this Windows latest article. Go down to the manufacturer link. So whatever computer you have, they will talk about every manufacturer. And you can go actually, and they have the links that are about every manufacturer. So you click the link, brings you to the pages, and there's the explanation and everything that you need to know and questions and so on. So from Asus, Lenovo and so on, Dell, HP, all of it. So go and check this article out. It might help you in finding out what certificate. A lot of people are, I got a few comments of people saying, well, why don't you show it? I can't show things that I don't own a PC that does it. I don't have a Dell here. I don't have an HP here. I have couple of, I have an Acer and I have an Asus and I have, those mini PCs, but there's tons of others out there that are very different. So I can't show everything. It's impossible. So here's the article. Go and check it out. And hopefully you'll find the fix that will help you update their certificates. In the case where you did not update the certificates, I think you shouldn't worry that much. It is a security hazard mostly. If there would be a access to your PC from somebody else, or you would get malware that could access the secure boot and change things around. But on a healthy PC that has no problems, it is a low risk problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.